Hello, welcome friends and family to Pagans Beauty. So good to be here with you. Today I want to show everyone how to do your own hair extensions and maybe save some money, right? And I'm talking about the hair extensions that are microlinks or Keratip, right? There's one that you fuse on and then there's one that you fuse on with a bead, right? I will show you guys how to make them both because everything's going up so high, right? So who couldn't afford to save some money, right? So I'm just going to show you some simple steps that you can take to make them. Also, I am very thankful for the people that have donated to my channel. And if you like this video, please don't hesitate to do so. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy it. Friends, here are all the supplies that you'll need to do your own hair extensions. I cut a little piece of the weft, maybe about 1/4 of an inch. You put the keratin bond on the flat iron, and I used a tweezer just to make sure I don't burn myself, and let it heat for a little bit. Then you cut off the tip of the weft. You put the hair that's cut off the weft onto the flat iron with the glue on there, and just make sure it's saturated. After it's saturated, let it cool off just a little bit. You can blow it, but make sure you don't touch it right away because it will burn you. You round the extension and it should look like rice. Cut the tip off and there you go, you got an eye link. The Keratip is the same process, just the way you finish it off, it's slightly different. Also friends, anything that you might need will be tagged in the video. I also want to thank all the people that have donated to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It helps me make better content for you guys. If you like this video, please do not hesitate to donate to the cause. Another tip that I would like to give you to make sure when you're creating the eye link is to make sure when you round it out, it's small enough to fit inside of a bead. Essentially, you're gonna wear them with beads, so it needs to be small enough. The keratin bond glue, actually, I got it from Amazon and it was about like $6, so it's a really good deal on Amazon. Friends and family, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Make sure to like it also and let me know what's your favorite part. Also comment any ideas that you might have for me to create a video. When creating the Keratip bond, you want to keep it as flat as possible just because it's going to be fused on the hair around the hair. Make sure there's saturation, and also when you take it out, blow on it a little bit so you will not burn yourself when you touch it, and flatten it out. To give it a better shape, you can always cut it. Friends, and this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, friends, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.